My name is Gina Pucheto, and I'm a psychology major studying at BYU, Idaho. And this is me right here, as you can see. And I'm from Sun Valley, Idaho. I'm half Argentine. I speak Spanish. I really like art, but I'm a psych major. That's a little bit about me. So my future job that I would like to pursue is a psychiatric technician. I would love to work at juvie, but I would also enjoy working at a behavioral health center as a psychiatric technician. My job would mainly be to help with bringing in patients and also checking them out of services and accompanying them to activities and therapy and just guiding them through that. Also monitoring their behaviors and listening to their concerns and feelings, as well as assisting in the restraint of patients who may become physically violent, and also serving meals and helping the patients eat healthy. To be a psychiatric technician, the level of schooling needed is a bachelor's degree in psychology. Why I chose to major in psychology is, well, I have gained a lot of experience in the field and have found that I actually genuinely enjoy it. And it's also very interesting. I have worked with many children and adults that have special needs and physical and mental disabilities such as bipolar, psychoaffective disorder, and many others, Down syndrome, etc. My education relates to my 4-year plan because I am majoring in psychology, and a bachelor's degree in psychology is required for that job that I'd like to participate in. My reasons in comparison to those from chapter 13 are, well, the one that matched the best is that I have an interest in the subject matter in and of itself. Also, I really have enjoyed it, I have been doing it for almost 6 years, and I figured I might as well pursue an education in it. Thank you.